Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So we are solving a very good examples on arithmetic progression. I am telling you a step-by-step solution. I am explaining each and every step. Hope the examples, all the previous examples are clear to you. Now in this video we are going to see the example 8. The question says if for an AP T3 is equal to 17, T7 is equal to 37, find S16. Okay, so we know for an AP, Tn, what is Tn? Nth term. How we write nth term? What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. And Sn, that is the sum of first n term. How we write? N by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Okay, what is given? T3 is given to you. So you can write one equation. Then T7 is also given to you. You will get the second equation. Solve those two equations and find out A and D. Then once you get A and D, so to find S16, what will be n? N will be 16, right? So all the things are known to you, right? See how we are going to solve this example. So first is we will write equation for T3. T3 is equal to 17. So T3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, which is nothing but 17. So A plus 2D is equal to 17. I have got first equation. Now T7 is given to you. What will be T7? A plus n minus 1. So 7 minus 1 into D, which is how much? 37. So therefore A plus 6D is equal to 37. Now there are two equations and two unknowns. You can easily solve this, right? See here how you can solve these two equations. Now I am doing equation 2 minus 1. So A plus 6D is equal to 37 minus A plus 2D, which is equal to 17. How we are going to subtract this? This will be minus, minus, minus. So A and A, it will get cancelled out. काय भेटेल तुम्हाला? 4D is equal to 20. So what will be D? 20 by 4, which is nothing but 5. Now you can put this D is equal to 5, let's say in equation 1. So put D is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is my equation 1? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 17. So A plus 2 into what is D? 5, which is equal to 17. So A plus 10 is equal to 17. What will be A? 17 minus 10, it will be 7. Is it clear how we have found A and how we have found A and D, right? This is D, this is A. So I hope it is clear. Now how we can find S16? Just use this formula. See now, A we have found out, D we have found out. What is the value of n? N is what? 16. N is what? 16. Okay, so let us put the values in formula of Sn. See, what is our Sn? What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 in bracket 2 into what is A? 7 plus n is 16 minus 1 into, what is d? D is equal to 5. Is it right? Okay. So 16 upon 2, it is 8 in bracket 14 plus, this is what? 15. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into 5, it is 75. It is 75. So 8 into, what will be this? 89. So S16 will be equal to 712. So this is how you have to solve the example. This is your answer. S16 is equal to 712. Right? So I hope this example is clear to you. N by 2, which is equal to 2a in bracket n minus 1 into d. Right? Okay. So see, formulas are only two. Only think how we are framing the question, all are different. Okay, but formulas remain same. TN and SN. ओके, दोनच फॉर्म्युले ते लक्षात ठेवायचे आहेत अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनमध्ये. आणि जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट आहे की अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन कशाला म्हणतात, जर डिफरन्स कॉमन असला, डिफरन्स सेम असला, सो द सिक्वेन्स इज व्हॉट? अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. मग ए म्हणजे काय? फर्स्ट टर्म. डी म्हणजे काय? कॉमन डिफरन्स. ओके. सो एखादा अननोन असेल, दोन व्हॅल्यूज दिल्या असतील, तिसऱ्याची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची, या पद्धतीने क्वेश्चन्स फ्रेम होतील. राईट? सो आय होप this example is clear to you. So basically the nth term, see T3 is what? It is a third term of AP is 17. This is the seventh term, 37, and we have found what? Sum of 16 term. Right? So anything will be given to you, such type of example. Okay, so don't get panic. Whatever you have studied, believe on it, definitely you will be able to solve the example. So hope you have understood all the steps clearly. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, and you can also find us on Facebook, right? And all the previous videos, you can get the link of those videos in the description box. And don't forget to hit the like button, and still if you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, please do like. Thank you.